Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to connect the Redmi Buds 8 Lite to your iPhone. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to take the Redmi Buds 8 Lite and you should open the case of it. And after opening the case, as you can see in the bottom of the case, there is an invisible, like a small button. It's not invisible, but small one. You have just to click on it with your fingerprint, like for a few seconds. And when it starts blinking, you have just to let it like that. Don't close it and let the two buds inside it. Don't get them out. After that, we go to our iPhone, we open it, we go to settings, and after that we go to Bluetooth. And as you can see of course you should turn on your Bluetooth, and for the other devices, as you can see, there is Redmi Buds 8 Lite. We just click on it, wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, the Redmi Buds 8 Lite is connected now to our iPhone, and we can start using them without any problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video and if this video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.